Okay, today I'm going to upgrade the memory in this HP 14-inch CF0006DX. So it's currently running 8 gig of RAM. It's got 2 slots, 4 in each, I believe. And it's a Core i3 7th gen. So the maximum it will take is 16 gig. So I've just bought a pack of 2x8, which I'm going to install. So I haven't installed memory for quite a long time in laptops or anything, to be fair. I used to work for Hewlett-Packard, firstly Electronic Data Systems, and then it became Hewlett-Packard from 2000 to 2010. So I installed lots of memory, hard disks into laptops, desktops, servers, all that kind of jazz. And yeah, I haven't done it for about 10 years now. So we're going to give it a go. So with these HP series, you've got 2 exposed screws here and here, and then you've got these rubbers, which are what allows it to sit on the desk and not slide about. Kind of gives it stability when it's sat down. Here and here, this one is twice as thick as this one. And under there, apparently there's 3 screws, I believe, on each. So we've got to undo these screws first, take this rubber off, undo the screws, and then the laptop, this back case comes away from this section, so that the top, where the keyboard is where all the guts are housed, and this bottom section comes away, and then you can access everything from here. So we're going to give it a go, because it's running a little bit slow on the 8 gig that it came with. So I've got here a little precision kit that I got from Amazon, iFixit. Lots of little fixtures here on this very handy magnetic screwdriver. And we've got one here with a bend on it if you need to get in and turn corners. Yeah, lots of good fixtures here, bits, so let's get into it. So let's put them there for safekeeping, so we don't lose it. And then try and prise this off without scratching it. I did have a little plastic tool, but I don't know where it is, so I'm going to use this. But as long as you, so I've read, as long as you don't do it too violently, because this has adhesive on it. As long as you do it with a bit of reverence, the sticky should maintain its sticking qualities. Yeah, very sticky still. It's the first time I've had it off. But you've got to be careful to take it off. Here you can see one screw there, and I think there's more up here. So lay that down, sticky up. And there's one screw here. Got these little rubbers like on here that fit into these holes here to keep it secured. As you can see, this is a lot thicker. I've got the screws here. These are quite thick actually. A couple of videos I watched on how to do this, they said they were quite flimsy, but these are not. These are quite thick. So that's a good thing. Okay. So the screws from the front are smaller, as you can see. Or longer. And then holding it to the main board, where these are just securing it to the front. Thankful for magnetized screwdrivers. So this is the easy part, as you can see. The more difficult part, potentially, is removing this backing. So we've got 4 there, 1 and 3, as you saw. So now the idea is to try and prise this as best as we can off the main, prise this top section, the board itself, off this underside. So try not to scratch it. Oh, here we go. Famous last words, eh? So there we go. So the idea is to really unclip. There's going to be clips holding it on, as you can hear. That's where a plastic tool would be a bit easier. So you can kind of run it around the edge, but you've just got to pull it out a little bit. And it's not made of glass. As you can hear, these clips are just kind of coming off as I'm running around. Very, very straightforward. Like I said, you've just got to be a bit reverent with it. Not force it. And yes, it would be easy with a plastic tool, but we haven't got one, so we're not going to worry too much about that. And again, because I haven't done this for so long, back in the day it was click clip in a few minutes, because you had done it sometimes hundreds of times, and this is the only thing here, not having done this for quite a long time, but now you see. So this is all off, as you can see. That is there. So that needs to now just be unclipped a bit more from this end. I think this is where it's biting a bit much. Be gentle, haven't you? Nice and gentle. Okay, so let's flip him over. See if we can take it off from the back here, like so. It'll be easier. So if we close him down, just try and lift this off this way. go. You see from the back. Getting all caught up here with the sticky bits, aren't we? Still caught on this corner here, the back here, for some reason. Yeah, it's still caught around here somewhere. It's not coming up. So I'm off here, and I'm getting to here, and it's still caught a little bit. That's where a little tool would come in handy. Yeah, it's not having it for some reason. Typical, eh? Typical. Right, you want to get in there. Let me pull this. Is that why? Got that little mouse dongle in there? I think so. Strange, isn't it, how these things... Oh, here we go. I'm an idiot. Of course it was that. Yes. Right. See, schoolboy error after 10 years. Right, let's do it. There we go. There we go. I've still got it, haven't I? Bloody still got it, mate. Right, so we've got... Let's take the battery out as well, just to be on the safe side. It's always good to dissipate any charge, even though we're on a semi anti-static mat here. As you can see, screws here, 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 like so, and one on the front here. There you go. Just unplug him. There we go. Put that there. So, 2 ports here. Just spin this round a minute. Two ports here for the memory. We've got a 4 and a 4. We've got the SSD here. And then we have space here for another SSD, a solid state drive, if that's what you want. So I believe this comes with a 100 gig, I think, 130 gig, 128 gig, something like that. I'm not going to upgrade this today, but I may in the future. So for the purposes of today, let's just get this memory out. So here we go. Pull the clips, pull him out. And again, pull the clips, pull him out. Easy peasy. And get into this. This brings back memories. So yeah, started with Hewlett Packard, or EDS, Electronic Data Systems as they were known, in Jan of 2020. And then I was a field engineer for a couple of years. There we go. Click, that's the noise that we like. Field engineer for a couple of years, and then moved into team leader role and then hang on a minute. Okay, they should both go in that way, shouldn't they? But you can't, you've got to put it in that way. Is that how it works? There you go. So, yeah, and done 10 years with them total. Great times, great times. So let's move him there. Right, let's get this back on. Let's put the battery back in first. So, spin back around to get on with this. There we go. There we go. Actually, like so. So we plug him in and then seat him down there. There we go. And then get these little screws here. Tiny, aren't they? Thank God for magnetic screws or magnetic screwdrivers. That's the thing. There we go. That's it. And obviously don't wind them all the way in. So we had one there, one there. I think, didn't we? Yeah, I think so. How many do we have in total? We've got 3, haven't we? So one was down here. Yeah, one was over here. That's it. I don't think he was screwed in there, was he? So I've got one here and one here. That's it. Put this bottom one in. That's important. So you had a great time with EDS stroke HP. I learnt a lot. Worked with some great people. Worked on some great projects, and got to travel a lot around Europe. So that was fantastic. Right, here we go. Moment of truth, eh? That looks nice and clean. All the clips are good here. Yeah, all the clips are good. So now moment of truth. Yeah. Memory in, laptop, battery in. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Slowly, slowly. Here we go. Bit of even pressure. It's always got to be even pressure, hasn't it? Always. Click, click, click. That's what we like. They're the kind of noises that we like. So we're going to put in the shorter ones in the front first. Just here. There we go. So yeah, this should run a lot quicker now. If you find the issue with when you've got tabs open, you know, Google opens multiple tabs to stop it crashing. So if you've got 5 tabs open, if you open Task Manager, you'll see probably 20 open. It opens different instances to stop it crashing. So it's for your benefit, but it is resource intensive. So this should help alleviate that. And from 8 gig to 16. There we go. Perfecto. Right, moment of truth. Should boot up into the BIOS. Let's have a look. Okay. It's not really what you want, is it? You want the... Oh, here we go. It's got something going on. Aha, there we go. I didn't see that screen. I think a screen popped up there saying the BIOS had been updated. Next job is to clean the laptop. Right, let's log in and see if you can see that there. Right, here we go. There you go. Installed RAM 16 gig, 15 non-usable. Fantastic. So that was really a piece of cake apart from getting this section off. So yeah, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. I've got a few things going on at the moment, doing lots of style tips and lots of other stuff. And this has been a good test for me. I've got a few other IT projects that I want to get involved with, and cyber security in particular. So I'm going to do more videos on this potentially. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, and Happy New Year.